Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this look, but most importantly I'm going to be doing this look using products that are $20 and less. So I definitely stepped out of my comfort zone with this eye look because I usually stick to like browns and neutrals, and for this one it is a vibrant teal. So I really love the way it turned out. I just wanted to show you guys that you can create looks like this on a budget. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and without further ado, we can jump right into the video. Okay, and just so you guys are aware, I did do my brows off camera. I used the ColourPop Brow Boss Eyebrow Pencil in the shade light brown. So I got this at Ulta when Ulta was actually opened. You can purchase it online. I think ColourPop's warehouse is closed as well due to coronavirus, but Ulta I still believe are shipping out products. So this eyebrow pencil was only $6, and it is definitely one of the best eyebrow pencils I've tried. Most of the eyebrow pencils I've tried personally are way too drying, and I just like pomades better, but ever since I purchased this, I really like it, and it's so affordable, so I don't mind repurchasing. But if you are looking for like an affordable pomade, if you're a dip brow kind of girl, I got you, so hold on. So I recently purchased the Morphe Brow Cream in the shade, I think it's called Blend the Rules, either that or Almond, I'm not sure. And I'm using the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer. Okay, and I'm just setting using my Airspun translucent powder. I'm just setting that. You don't even need to set it if you don't want to, or you can use any matte white shade that you have. Okay, so for the palette I'm going to be using the Daisy Marquez / BH Cosmetic palette that they came out with. I've used this on my channel before for this gorgeous coral shade that I absolutely loved. So I have an idea. I'm actually going to kind of get inspo from her packaging. I kind of want to do a teal Tiffany blue look, which I have never done before, but I've been wanting to use the teal shade she has on here, so that's what I'm gonna do. And this palette is amazing because I think it's only like $13 to $19 right now on BH Cosmetics website. I do believe it's still available. Daisy did say that this was the last restock, and once it sells out, it's not coming back. So I would definitely suggest picking this up if you're someone that's on a budget and you want really nice colorful looks to practice, because pretty much this palette has 2 rows of matte shades and 2 rows of shimmer, so you get the best of both worlds. And I personally like palettes like this because it's not your basic nudes. This one has a lot of really pretty like eccentric shades, and also it has the neutral shades where you can do just like a very neutral look if you wanted to. So I would definitely recommend picking this up. You pretty much have all the shades you would need to create a creative look. So definitely pick this up. And another thing I really like is that it's like a little vanity, and the mirror does come off and you can place it like this, so it's like a little vanity, so it's perfect for traveling as well. So the shade I'm going to take is the teal shade. I'm going to take the shade Daisy, which is that one, and I'm going to use that as a transition shade. Now what I did yesterday was I put that on my lid, and it's just not a good shade for your lid. It's really, I feel like it would be better for the crease, so I'm going to do that right now. What I'm going to do next is add some of the shade Dream. It's that teal, but it's a shimmer shade, and put this on my lid. I'm going to do that using my finger, and then I'll go over it with a flat brush to pack it on a little more. But I like doing it with my finger. At this point, what you could also do is cut your crease using concealer. I have like mono lids, and I have very little lid space. So that usually never works for me, like cutting my crease with concealer. So I tend to always do it with just the shade and my finger, kind of the same, but I would recommend just using a base for this if you can, if you have the lid space for it, just because it'll make it a lot easier for the glitter to stick on. So and then I'm going to go in with that same brush as before, use the shade Daisy to blend out the edges. Okay, so I got this glitter from Sally's forever ago. I never used it. It's a nail and body. Yeah, it's like a teal. It matches my eyes, so I'm gonna put a little bit on. I just don't know where my eyeshadow glue is. Okay guys, sorry I stopped recording. I just wanted to do this eye off camera. So I actually wasn't able to find my NYX glitter glue. That is the best glitter glue ever. Definitely super affordable. I just can't find it. I know I have it. So what I did is I got these mini Stila, what are they called? The liquid eyeshadow ones. I got this from TJ Maxx actually. I think it was $12 for like a little one. So I'm sorry it's not like under 20 because I know these can go for super expensive, like 35 or something. But if you do have a glitter glue, just use that or use like an adhesive. You can even use your lash glue. I actually should have used the lash glue, but basically as you can see, what I did is I first put a little bit of this glue on my eye. This is like a clear one, it doesn't even work well, and you just want to coat it, so pretend as if I had no glitter there. So I take some on my finger like this and just pack it on. It's just super pretty. It's a lot, it's a little bit extra, but it's so pretty. I haven't done a glitter look like this in forever. So I don't know if the camera's picking it up well, but it is like super glittery in the lid and it matches perfectly with the eyeshadow, like the teal. This is from Bitzy. Again, I got this from Sally's. So it's Bitzy Nail and Body Glitter, and this is in the shade Lime Light. So it looks so pretty. And I'm just gonna do a little wing liner on this side just to duplicate it, and then put on some mascara. So I will be right back to actually show you that. I just wanted to quickly mention what I used on my lid. Alright guys, so I put my lashes on. I'm using my Ardell Double Up 206. I've been using these lashes for like 4 years now. So I'm going to move on to the skin now, and yeah. So for primer, I'm going to be using my NYX Honey Do Me Up primer. It's really nice. It kind of reminds me of a dupe for the Milk Makeup Hydra Grip primer. I always save this. I've used it a few times on my channel, but it is an amazing primer. The consistency is really nice, and it does have like gold speckles in it. I am going to color correct using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Peach Corrector. I'm going to use this under my eyes and around my mustache area just because it's a little bit darker there and I like to just even it out. Alright guys, now for foundation, I'm actually trying a new foundation today. I've never tried before, but I do love the original. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. This is the dewy one though, it's new. So they do have like a matte one and I really like it, but it's a little too dry. So I was really happy when I heard they came out with the dewy formula because the coverage of this is beautiful. So I will go ahead and try it out. And I also like this foundation because it has a spatula, which I love. It's kind of like my primer I just used. That one had a spatula as well. So that's what that's looking like. Okay, so now for concealer, I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. Of course, this has been my go-to. It's very full coverage and it is mattifying, which I kind of want to do in my under eye area because the foundation is so dewy. So I'm just going to pop this on here. For bronzer or contour, cream contour, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Makeup Stick Contour in the shade Calming Maple. This is a great contour stick. And then for translucent powder for baking, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. I'm in the shade 15. This is a little bit lighter. I need to go like one darker than this, but it's fine. I leave it in there on there for like not even a minute and wipe it off, and it really smooths out the skin, which is my favorite part of this translucent powder. It does remind me of a dupe for the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder, which if you guys don't know, that one is my favorite translucent powder, but that's like almost $50. So while that sets a little, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro HD Pressed Powder on the rest of my face. This is one of my holy grails, so just going to take that on a big fluffy brush. And I'm going to dust it off with that same brush. Alright, so for bronzer, I'm going to use my e.l.f. Duo Bronzer and Blush Palette. I'm also going to use this for the blush, actually. This is in the shade Fiji. It's also been a staple in my collection, and this, I think it's $8 now, $6 to $8, anywhere from there, and it's an amazing duo. I love both of these shades so much, so definitely recommend. Has anyone's skin been breaking out like crazy since being on quarantine? Because my skin has broken out so bad again. I have like little whiteheads all over my chin, and I don't know what's going on. I think it's the matter of what I'm eating, maybe, because I've been eating like crap lately, so I don't know what's going on, but needs to get fixed ASAP because this area here is not cute. And I also haven't worn makeup in like 2 weeks because I just don't have the energy to while here being stuck in the house, you know? So now I'm going to do my lower lashes, and all I'm going to do is actually use the shade Daisy, the teal color, and put it on the bottom lash, and then just coat my lower lashes with some mascara, and that's pretty much it. And then I'm gonna get fixed up. Well, let me do that first on camera. I'm gonna go do my hair off camera, and I will be right back to do my lips. Hey guys, I'm back. I just did these mermaid waves on my hair. I thought it would fit because the eye look is very like mermaidish, so I was like, let me do mermaid waves. And what I'm gonna do for my lips, I'm just gonna do a nude with a gloss on top. So the lip liner I'm taking is a nude lip liner. It's by Morphe. It's in the shade Sweetheart. And then for the liquid lip, I'm using the Morphe shade in True Story. And for the gloss, it kind of is, well, it's the Makeup Revolution, it's the Jewel Collection, and I don't know the shade this is in. I don't know if this was limited edition. I haven't seen it at my Ulta, but the reason I wanted to use this is it has that reflective shade that I'm looking for. It has like white speckles on it, so alright guys, so that is it for today's video. This is the final look, and yeah, I really like it. It's definitely out of my element. For my channel, I usually stick to like neutrals and browns and very normal looking looks, and for this one it looks very out there, very vibrant, but I really like it. I like the way it turned out, and I wanted to show you guys, just, you know, it's cool to mix it up, but I wanted to show you guys that you can do something super glam and extra on a budget This is all under $20. I didn't use any high-end products, so I really like it. Yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let me know what you guys think. And yeah, I will definitely catch you guys next time.